welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing some office break yoga stretches as most of us are working from home these days. So these simple yoga stretches will help you to relax in between. So you don't need a yoga attire, you can do it in your jeans or trousers or shorts, and you don't need a yoga mat also because all the practices are standing. So let's start our practice for today. So stand up straight and tall, both the legs little away from each other. Just close your eyes and bring your mind and attention to your breathing for a while. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Inhale and exhale. Now let's do 2 rounds of candle breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth as if you're blowing a candle. Inhale. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Now from here, we'll start little bit with our fingers. So just make a fist of your hands and you open and close. Open your hands, stretch it and close it. So feel that stretch. Keep doing few times, open and close. Nice. Now just shake up your hands, shake it up. You can just do these practices sitting on the chair as well. Front and back. And relax. Just feel the changes. Relax completely. Now, next practice we will do for our neck. So let's start. So you will just stand up straight and tall. Inhale, you look up to the ceiling. Exhale, chin closer to your chest. Inhale, you look up. Exhale, look down. 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Inhale. Stay there. Hold it. Feel the stretch. And exhale. Just relax. Nice. Now the next practice, interlock your fingers behind you, pull your hands down, lifting your spine up slowly. You exhale and look towards your right side, feeling the stretch on the left side of your neck muscles. Look towards your shoulders. Stay there. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back in the center. Exhale towards the left side. Feel the stretch and opening of your chest and the lungs. Look towards your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now just relax. Good. Now after the neck and the fingers, we will do something for our shoulders. So open your palms at the shoulder level. And slowly inhale and push your chest and sternum in the front and open it and feel the shoulder blades coming closer. And then exhale, round your shoulders and join your palms together. Let's do this few times. Inhale, you open up, feel your shoulders, shoulder blades coming closer. Exhale, round your shoulders. Feel that expansion of your upper back muscles. Once again, inhale, exhale, rounding your shoulders. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Stay there. Feel your neck, feel your upper back and feel your shoulders. And just relax. Now, another practice for your shoulders will be eagle arms. So open your hands at the shoulder level. Bring your right hand down. Cross your left hand over to your right and crossing your elbows. Palms are facing each other. Interlock your fingers. So you can just observe from here. Now inhale and you lift up your hands. Feel your upper arms, feel your shoulders. Stay there. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now we do another side. Left hand down, right hand up, crossing your elbows and then crossing your palms. Interlock your fingers if you can. And then feel that expansion of your upper back muscles. Lifting your hands up. Stay there. Breathe. Lifting your spine up. Inhale and exhale. Just release and relax. And now we will be doing some twisting. So just leave your hands loose and just twist from side to side. Legs are away. Continue for a few times. So you can relax yourself, take a break from your office work and do some simple stretches. And just relax. After this we will do a practice which will help you to stretch your legs. So let's stand up straight. Bring your right leg in the front, left leg is behind. Interlocking your fingers. We will go for half pyramid pose. So pushing your hips back, chest and sternum in the front. Just stay here and look in the front. Feel a good stretch in your front leg. Stay there. Hold your practice. Breathe. Enjoy the stretch. So when you stretch, the blood also start to circulate. You can keep lifting your hands up if you want. Otherwise, you can just keep your hands at a comfortable position. Inhale and come up. Let's do it from another side. Left leg in the front, right leg behind. Keep your hips square. You can interlock your fingers. Roll your chest and shoulders. Exhale. Tailbone back, chest and sternum in the front. Just stay here, half pyramid pose. Stay and maintain. Feel a great stretch. Try it out. Breathe. Hold. And inhale. Slowly come up. Now from here, we will do the forward bend, but we will do half forward bend. So stand up straight. And from here, push your tailbone back, chest and sternum in the front. And just bring your hands onto your shin. And look in front. Flat back, forward bend. Just relax here. Stay there, maintain. So all these stretches feel great. Breathe. And slowly inhale and come up. Now from here we will do some dangling. So both the legs again hip distance apart. Hold your opposite elbows and push your hips back, chest and sternum in the front. Little bit bend your elbows and just do the dangling. You can just relax here from side to side. Let the blood flow towards your head region. You can just dangle from side to side or you can just stay here completely relaxed. This is a wonderful practice to be done in between your office work. Stay there, keep breathing for a while. Little bit micro bend your elbow, knees. And from here, slowly You inhale and come up. Feel the rushing of the blood towards your head region. After this, both the legs little away. Interlock your fingers, chest and shoulders open wide. Exhale. Go down, legs away. Bring your hands up as much as you are comfortable. No need to force yourself. Shoulder stretch, leg stretch, and spine getting lengthening. Stay there. Breathe. Chin is closer to your chest, or you can look in the front. Maintain for a while and slowly inhale and come up. Just relax. Now from here, you just grab a chair and we will do a little bit of shoulder stretch. So let's take a chair. Of course, when you're sitting on a chair, you can just grab it, put your hands onto your chair, taking support of it, and then slowly push your hip back and you just maintain here. Keep breathing. Feel that your feet and hip is in the same line. You can look in the front, extending your arms, feeling the stretch in the spine, your legs. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just relax. Now, you take the chair, sit on it, and just relax yourself. Now, let's do a simple breathing practice so that you can start your work again after a short break. So why not to go for Anulom Vilom. First 2 fingers of your right hand goes in, close your right nostril, inhale from the left and exhale. Inhale from the same side, close and then exhale. Breathe in. Feel that flow of prana into your system. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. You can breathe out from the left and finish your practice. Inhale. And exhale. Nice and good. Now just relax. Now last we will do one eye practice, eye exercise, as you must be sitting on the screen for a long time. So very simple practice you can do. Keep your head and neck relaxed. Just look up towards the ceiling and down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Keep doing. And close your eyes. Do the palming. You can just do a few rounds of palming also in between your work. And from here, slowly make a cup shape of your palm. Put your palms onto your eyes. And slowly feeling the warmth and energy, feeling refreshed, and at the same time calm. Relax yourself, and you are ready to start your work again. So thank you so much for practicing along. I hope you enjoyed these simple yoga stretches which you can do during your office work. Take a short break and do it and feel the changes. Thank you so much. Once again, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your friends. Thank you.